The Bank of England digital pound CBDC will be built on Quant QNT, Hedera HBAR, and Ripple XRP. Right now, I'm going to show you a clip of Gilbert Verdien, the CEO of Quant, literally confirming how the digital pound was built on Quant's overledger technology. Listen to this carefully.
That we've been doing is around using our platform, which is called Overledger, to create central bank digital currencies. We did the work with the Bank of England and the BIS on Project Rosalind. We issued the digital pound. We created the infrastructure around it, around the API, and then we allowed the industry to test in a real world setting what a central bank digital currency looks like for them in terms of the payment flows. And then since then, we've been working in the same space around tokenizing commercial bank deposits, how to enable the functionality of what we brought to CBDCs.
Everyone, if you hold Quant QNT right now, obliterate the like button, share this video, send it to everyone that you've been telling about Quant. If they still haven't bought Quant yet, this is the video they need to see. Literally, the digital pound, the UK's digital pound, is being built on Quant QNT, officially confirmed by the CEO himself. Also, Quant QNT on their official webpage right here says that they're trusted by the world's top central banks and financial institutions. Right here, Quant is partnered up with the Bank of England, the Bank of International Settlements, UK Finance, as you can clearly see. They even say, we have worked on the digital pound. Literally right here on Quant QNT's official site, they confirm it. The Bank of England CBDC is coming very soon. The Digital Pound Foundation, this organization, is leading the charge to build a digital pound with the United Kingdom. And as you can see, the top members and partners include Quant QNT sitting right there next to Ripple XRP. So XRP and Quant QNT are both working together on the Digital Pound Foundation to deliver the UK's digital pound, and they're partnered up with the Digital Euro Association too. Yes, there's so much undeniable proof. Ripple, XRP, Quant QNT, and HBAR and XLM, all of them are involved in building the digital euro and the digital dollar project as well. Literally, both the digital euro and the digital dollar projects are connected to the Digital Pound Foundation, with, you guessed it, Quant QNT and Ripple XRP leading the way. They're building the Digital Pound Foundation as we speak, and also the digital pound is going to support offline transactions. The Bank of England just released a brand new report right here focusing on offline payments. Offline payments are a must-have feature for the UK's digital pound CBDC. But why is this a big deal for Quant QNT, Hedera HBAR, and XRP? IDEMIA, a company working directly with the Bank of England, is handling the offline payments for the CBDC, officially confirmed right here. Literally, IDEMIA and the Bank of England working together on offline CBDC payments. IDEMIA even released a report right here. Same company partnered with the Bank of England. The report is titled Offline CBDC Payments, and it's all about offline functionality. Now here where it gets even bigger. On page 24 of this report, they list the best CBDC solution providers for offline payments, and guess what? They specifically mention Hedera HBAR, explaining how HBAR technology is being used in their solution through the HBAR Foundation. They also talk about Ripple XRP being part of the solution. Everyone, this is official. IDEMIA, partnered up with the Bank of England, is using Hedera HBAR and Ripple XRP for offline payments in the digital pound CBDC. I don't know how much more obvious it needs to be. The Bank of England is working with HBAR XRP and Quant QNT. There is so much proof out there, and this IDEMIA solution is massive because it's super flexible. It can work with any CBDC platform, centralized, decentralized, handling payments, securities, and more. And even more importantly, this solution has already been recognized by major institutions, the BIS, the Bank of International Settlements, the IMF, International Monetary Fund, the United Nations, the World Bank, and other huge central banks like the Bank of Indonesia and massive financial institutions are already using it. This IDEMIA solution, powered by Hedera HBAR and XRP, is massive. If you want to long or short XRP, go to Wynand Crypto, and on this video, you're going to find a link to sign up to BTCC to be able to trade Bitcoin and XRP and other cryptocurrencies. And guys, with BTCC, you can get a limited time $10,000 bonus on your first deposit. This is where I'm trading. This is where I can open all of my long positions, all of my trades. I think it's a fantastic place to be trading. So make sure to use the link down in the description below if you want to sign up and start trading XRP. Big banks all over the world are looking at it, and many have already adopted it. The Bank of England has also mentioned that they've worked with Ripple before. Right here on the Bank of England's official website, you can still find Ripple's proof of concept listed. Yes, it's from 2017, but it's still there. This report covers real-time gross settlement payments and how Ripple's technology fits perfectly. Even though it's from years ago, it's still a huge deal. The fact that it's still up on the Bank of England's official site tells you everything. Now, back to Quant. Quant also confirmed on their official webpage that they're collaborating with the Bank of International Settlements and the Bank of England on Project Rosalind. Project Rosalind is big. And Quant's overledger technology, the same tech used in the Bank of England's CBDC digital pound, is now available for businesses to use today. Quant's tech isn't just helping the Bank of England, it's being adopted across many other projects too. Quant is officially working on the digital pound. It's confirmed, it's real. Quant, QNT, Hedera HBAR, and Ripple XRP are all working to build the UK's digital pound. So right now, whether you live in the UK or anywhere else, obliterate the like button, share this video with the world. I love y'all, subscribe, join the movement, and I'll see you very soon. Until the next time, Wynand Crypto out.